I have never seen the airport this dead. Like, it's just absolutely empty. There's people dotted around, but nothing to write home about really. So I am on a flight to Auckland. Mum has had a bleed on the brain and she has fallen down the stairs, and Peter and I have literally not stopped for 48 hours. We've had a COVID test, we bought tickets, we're on a fucking plane. It's absolutely insane. Wow, it's so sunny up here. It's so beautiful down there. I can't believe I'm leaving. It's crazy. It's 5:40 p.m. so we've been only going for 3 hours. It's terrible. What can you do? Okay, we are in, I don't know where we are, Singapore, that's right, we're in Singapore. And now we're just trying to find our next flight. And it's very hot here, very, very hot. So I thought I'd go and find a sofa to have a sleep. And those are the sofas that they have on offer here. But like, can you even see the sofa underneath my Welsh? Travelator, 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 and travelators that way, and travelators that way. We're just walking and walking and walking to find our, whatever you call it, that thing where you get on the plane. Sorry, my brain's fallen out of my ass. So just going through the second part, and it's so dead. Like, that food court up there is just absolutely closed. It's just totally empty. God, I tell you, travelling in COVID is something else. It really is. Boarding to London. Well, we've landed and it looks like it's absolutely pissing it down.